Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to make a verified channel on Discord. So to do this, the first thing we have to do is go to our browser and go to the website called securitybot.gg. Then once we're on the website, we'll click on the button that says Add Security Bot. So this will redirect us to a page asking us to redirect to Discord. Click on the button that says Continue to Discord. Once in Discord, this window will appear. The bot is asking access to our server. So we'll select the server we want, and then we'll click on Continue. Then we will be asked to give permissions to the bot. So we'll click on Authorize. And the bot has been successfully added to our server. After that, we'll close this. And on General, we will type in the command /verification enable. Hit Enter. And as you can see, it says verification has been enabled. Then we will type in /verification setup channel here. Click on that and hit Enter. And as you can see, a verification channel has been set up by the bot. So this is how we make a verified channel on Discord. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.